Yusek Domingo of Department of Health. He used to be with the World Health Organization as well. I worked with him um, during the when I defended the Universal Healthcare Act. Siya po yung that time nasa WHO pa siya. So together with advocates, nakasama po natin si now Yusek Albert Domingo. And ano din siya, talagang advocate yan and talagang really passionate about the implementation of the Universal Healthcare Act.
And do you think he is qualified to become PhilHealth president?
I think in terms of yung sa aspeto ng health services, galing ng WHO, nag-USEC ng DOH, nandun. Pero kailangan din natin ng finance person, no? To make sure that the funds are managed well. Yung actuarial knowledge, no? Hirap yun eh. Ako, hindi ko rin maintindihan yung maganyan. So, kailangan natin yung mga taong marunong,